Good morning, all of you. This is Bhumika Parekh from Lyall Public School, and we are back with yesterday's topic, and that is determiners in English. I hope everybody has been clear with what are determiners, what are the type of determiners, and which particular type of determiners we are talking about. So this is a short review which we'll be doing at the end today. We had studied that there are two types of determiners, definite and indefinite. In indefinite, we have a and an, and in definite articles, we have the. We have studied the use of the in a very detailed manner. And then when we started studying the usage of definite articles, that was very clear that these will always be used with singular countable nouns. Okay, so we had mentioned that when something is mentioned for the first time, it takes the article a. When it is used as an example of a class, then a is used. Then the next one was when it begins with a consonant sound. Whenever a noun is beginning with a consonant sound, you have to be very clear that we are talking about sound here, not exactly a consonant. The sound should be of a consonant and then it will always take a. Supposingly, the cat caught a mouse. The mouse, when we are reading it as mouse, so it is m. And m is a consonant sound. That is why it is taking a. If it would have been something which would have started with a consonant but had the sound of a vowel, it would not have taken that. For example, we are taking the word as honest person. Now, honest, H is a consonant, but because it is taking a vowel sound, it will never take a, it will always take an. An honest person. It is never a honest person, it is always an honest person because of the sound it is taking. Clear? Next, we have units of weight, volume, etc. The bike gives 65 kilometers a liter. When we are using units of weight, volume, that also when it is singular. This has to be kept in mind very seriously that it will always be singular. If there have been s, then this would never come there. Okay. So weight, volume, all these things also take article a. Okay, and then if it is singular, it will take a. Then we have certain numbers. Certain numbers will always take a. Supposingly a million. I have 100 friends. Okay, I have 100 friends. So when there is talking about 100 million and that is just 100 or just 1 million, then it will always take a. Certain exclamatory expressions. So example, what a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. So the exclamatory expressions say what a beautiful picture, what a dirty lane, anything. Anything of that sort will be taken in a format. Okay. Then to express quantity, some quantities, supposingly a pair of shoes, then a dozen of mangoes. Okay, this is definitely not a dozen, but just to illustrate, I have used it. Okay, so a dozen of mangoes, a pair of shoes, a bunch of keys. So when we are expressing quantity in some word which is not actually using a number, we use a. Okay, expression of frequency, when we are trying to show frequency. He shops twice a week. He shops twice a week. That is his frequency, that every week 2 times he will go for shopping. So every week he is going for shopping twice. So that is the frequency. He shops twice a week. He shops thrice a month. So when you are showing frequency in one particular time period, it can be a week, a fortnight, or a month, or a year. Okay, so that will always take a. Then we have how an article an is used. How the article an is used. An is always used with nouns beginning with vowel sound. This is the basic difference between a and an. This is the basic difference that is there between a and an. A will always take consonant sounds and an will always take vowel sounds. That is very clear. A is also used for singular countable nouns. Okay, and an is also used for singular countable nouns. A will go with consonant sounds and an will go with vowel sounds. These are few examples here. Okay. Some exceptions are always there. Remember, just how we took it in an. Similarly, some exceptions are always there. जैसे a European. ठीक है, तो कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स, कुछ एक्सेप्शंस जो है वो हमेशा रहेंगे ए के साथ में भी और एन के साथ में भी. एक्सेप्शंस: a unicorn, a European, a university. ठीक है, start with a vowel sound, starts with a vowel but has a consonant sound. Start तो vowel से हो रही है, u भी vowel है, e भी vowel है, u again u is a vowel. ठीक है, but the sound, it is unicorn, year, so the sound is of a y. Starting with u, ठीक है, starting with u, e, both are vowels but the sound is of y. A unicorn, year. A European, you, year. ठीक है, yo, European. ठीक है, तो it will always go with the sound. The letter is not important here. What is important is the sound. It is very important that the word is starting with which sound. Is it a vowel sound or a consonant sound? Similarly with a or an also there are some doubts. Say h is an consonant. H is again a consonant. M is again a consonant. Okay, I made a small mistake here. It is an MP. M, A. ठीक है, M. A का sound आ रहा है, A का sound हो रहा है. That is why it is taking an N. An R, A. A का sound आ रहा है, A का sound आ रहा है, which is a vowel sound, so it is taking an N. An honest person, O sound. That's why it is taking a N. While filling in with articles, always remember that it is not important with which letter it is starting. It is always important that what sound it is taking. It is very important what kind of a sound it is taking. It is taking a consonant sound or a vowel sound. So that you have to be very clear with. Okay, simple basic usage, a or an, when it is the first time of anything. Okay, one or any. If you are talking about something which is only one in number or just anything, just a random thing, then it will take a or an depending on the sound it is starting with. Okay, some quantities, a couple, a few, a handful, etc. We studied that in the previous slides also. When it is a job, supposingly I am a teacher. When I'm a teacher, I'll always take as a. If I would have been an engineer, I would have taken an. So that will go according to the sound which is taking. Otherwise, jobs, when you're describing your job or when you're telling what you're doing, okay, what is your job? What is your job profile? So you'll always take a an. Okay. Exclamation, singular, what a beautiful day, what a dirty bed. When you're talking about exclamatory things and that is in singular form, it will always take a or an. A or an always depends on the sound. Second, when we have the will always be done with second time. Okay? There is a fly in my soup. What is the fly doing in my soup? First time when they talked about the fly, it was a fly, and the second time they talked about the fly, it was the fly. Then we have only one. This was one or any, and this is only one. When there is only one thing of something, the moon, the queen, the president, the prime minister. We have had a lot of prime minister. We have had a lot of chief minister. But at present, we have only one. So that will always take the moon. We have only one moon. Earth particularly has only one moon. Other planets have a lot of moons. But when you're talking about the moon, means you're talking about the moon which Earth has. Okay. And rivers and the seas. Okay. That's the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, the Godavari. Okay. Then the Arabian Ocean, the Bay of Bengal. So these things will also. Superlatives. We are very clear about superlatives. Okay. There are 3 degrees. Uh, Positive, comparative, and superlatives. Okay, there are 3 degrees of adjectives: positive, comparative, and superlative. So superlatives will always take the. And inventions, when something has been invented and then it is being talked about, then it will always take the computer has revolutionized the way we work. Okay, computer was an invention. So the mobile phone. So when we are talking about some inventions, it will always take the. There are also some places where we do not use any article. That is, first one is when we are talking about plural exclamations. When we are talking about plural exclamations, then it will never take any kind of article. What beautiful children you have. Okay, so there it was a deal. What a beautiful child. Okay, if it would have been what a beautiful child and what beautiful what a beautiful child and what beautiful children. Here we are talking about only a child. That is why we are using the a. And here we are talking about children. Means the exclamation was singular here. The exclamation was singular here, and here it has become plural. So singular will always take a or an. Okay, and a plural will never take any article. Okay, then meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper, brunch. Okay, we are going for brunch. It will never take any article. Special places. Okay, this is school, college, university. If it is one of a kind, supposingly we are talking about school, I am going to school. Okay, I am going to school. And I'm saying I'm talking randomly about any school. I'm saying but if I pointed out to which school I'm going to the Lyall Public School. Okay, so when we are talking about one specific thing, we'll put the, and when we are talking about generally, we'll put proper nouns. Proper nouns will never take articles. It will only take articles if we are using them as adjectives. Remember that sentence, she is the Dhoni of our team. She is the Dhoni. Dhoni is a proper noun, but it will never take an article until and unless it is used as an adjective. Okay? And generalization. We are generalizing things. Dogs are better than cats. Okay? Jeans are better than pants. तो जब हम जनरलाइज कर रहे चीजों को या जनरली किसी चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो वो भी कभी भी कोई भी आर्टिकल जो है वो नहीं लेगा. ठीक है. Then we are seeing the summary for some. Before going to the summary, we'll start from slide 1 once and we'll see everything once again. I have added one more slide to it. Okay. So determiners. First, what are determiners? Determiner is a word placed in front of a noun to specify quantity or to clarify what the noun refers to. Okay. It is a word placed before a noun. Okay. Determiner is always placed before a noun to provide information such as quantity, ownership, and specificity. Okay. It will always give you quantity, it will always tell you about the quantity of something. Okay, what quantity it is having. Okay, then ownership, whose is it, possessives, and then specificity. Then they are pointing out something specific into that, then it will always give that. Examples are or types of are articles, demonstratives, possessives, and articles, demonstratives, possessives, and quantifiers. Okay, so this is very clear. Articles we have studied, it is a, an, and the. A dog owns nothing, yet it is seldom dissatisfied. A dog, this is talking about one dog in particular, and that is specifying that this is general thing. ठीक है, द होता तो अलग सेंस आ जाता. Then we have demonstrators. In demonstrators, when we are pointing out towards something, you cannot control this dog. आप point out कर रहे हो इस कुत्ते की तरफ कि आप इस dog को control नहीं कर सकते हो. Pointing out towards that one particular dog. So this, that, these, those are demonstratives. Then possessives, when you are showing your ownership, host, your guest, and also his dog. Who's your guest? Whose guest is his? Yours. And whose dog is his? The guest's. ठीक है, तो host, your guest and his. तो your जो है वो guest के लिए वो यूज हो रहा है और dog जो है वो his के लिए. तो his और your दोनों क्या कर रहा है? Ownership point out कर रहा है. तो possessive, quantifiers जब आप quantity बता रहे हो किसी चीज की, ठीक है, it can be any number, it can be few, some, no. When two dogs fight over a bone, the third carries it away. टू यूज कर लिया यहाँ पर. तो क्वांटिटी आपने बताई कि हाउ मेनी डॉग्स आर फाइटिंग. ठीक है, आई हैव अ फ्यू एग्जांपल्स. ठीक है, तो क्या बता रहा है कि कुछ एग्जांपल मेरे पास. आई हैव नॉट मेंशन द नंबर बट आई एम सेइंग दैट आई हैव फ्यू. ठीक है, आई हैव नो एक्सप्लेनेशन, दैट आई डू नॉट हैव एनी एक्सप्लेनेशन कि इस बात के लिए मेरे पास कोई भी टाइप का एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं है. तो आपने क्या किया, क्वांटिटी बताया है उसके अंदर. तो दीज आर what determiners do, and these are the types which we have studied very in a lot of detail is the articles. I hope everybody is clear with what articles are. We have seen the types of articles. Okay, we have seen the types of articles. They define noun as specific or unspecific. Types are definite and indefinite. Definite is to point out something specific and indefinite is to point out something that is not specific. Definite article is the. Okay, it used for unique objects, when nouns which are mentioned before, phrases are used, or particular thing. When a proper noun is used, an adjective. When a singular noun is used to represent a class or a group. Okay, when a common noun is given the meaning of abstract noun. Public buildings, if you are talking about certain newspapers and magazines, certain books. Okay, and then when we come to indefinite articles, it is a or an. A is used, the basic difference between a and an is that a is used with consonant sounds and an is used with vowel sounds. So basic usage will be same, the only difference will be this. when something is mentioned for the first time, when it is used in an example of a class. Noun beginning with a consonant sound very clear hai. Okay, some units of weight and volume if that is singular. Certain numbers if they are talking as a group and taking it as a single. Certain exclamatory expressions which has to be singular. Okay, expressing quantities when a group is shown as a single thing. Okay, so singular is a very important thing. Again, to express frequency which is done in a particular period of time, so that has to be a singular thing and is used with vowel sounds. Okay, these are some examples. Vowel sound exceptions are always there. It might start with a vowel but have a consonant sound, and it might start with a consonant but have a vowel sound, so that will make the difference. These were some examples which we saw, or some basic things which we saw. So now what we have done is we have seen what are the types of determiners. Okay, then we have seen what are articles, we have seen the types of articles, and we have also seen the usage of article. I hope it is clear to all of you and nobody has any doubt. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope the topic is very clear to you. Thank you.